Are you looking for the best clamp meters? In this video we will look at some of the best clamp meters. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. ANENG Digital Clamp Meter. With a double open clamp, this digital clamp meter from ANENG can measure wires up to 1.42 inches in diameter without interrupting the circuit. The design caters to your working style and makes it easy to use. It can measure AC, not DC, as well as AC and DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, continuity, diodes, and frequency, hertz. This makes it an excellent choice for diagnosing vehicle or electrical problems efficiently. Built for durability, the ANENG clamp meter is ideal for long workdays, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Its stylish design protects against damage from accidental bumps or drops, ensuring it stays in good condition while traveling. This makes it one of the best clamp meters for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you're looking for the best ammeter or exploring clamp meter reviews, the ANENG is a solid option that could meet your needs. Safety concerns arose when the meter failed to accurately read voltage, which could potentially lead to dangerous situations. Issues with the meter not functioning properly out of the box, including display failures that led to dissatisfaction and returns. Number 4. Klein Tools CL390 AC/DC Digital Clamp Meter. The CL390 AC/DC Digital Clamp Meter from Klein is a versatile tool suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It features automatically ranging true RMS technology, enabling precise AC and DC measurements directly through the clamp. It can also measure AC/DC voltage, resistance, frequency, capacitance, and diode functionality using the test leads. One of the differentiating features of the CL390 is its high-visibility reverse contrast LCD, which ensures clear readings in both bright and dark environments. The meter has capabilities like max/min and data hold functions and automatically powers off after 10 minutes to conserve battery life. When compared to the Klein Tools CL120VP electrical voltage test kit, which includes a clamp meter along with other testers, the CL390 is a single tool focused only on clamp meter functions. The CL120VP kit offers a range of tools for various tasks, while the CL390 is a compact, specialized device for precise measurements. The meter's automatic shutoff feature can be annoying, turning off too quickly even during use. Concerns about the accuracy of DC voltage readings and connection stability led to trust issues with the device. Number 3. Klein Tools CL120VP Electrical Voltage Test Kit. When you hear the word kit, you know you're going to get a complete package and more than what you wanted. The Klein Tools CL120VP Electrical Voltage Test Kit. It includes an electrical clamp meter designed to give you optimum reliability and safety and features the CL120, a 400 amp AC/DC digital clamp meter that provides true RMS measurements. The kit also features a backlit LCD, making it easy to read measurements in low-light conditions. The CL120 is rated Cat 3600V and is double insulated for improved safety during operation. Additionally, the RT210 tester helps detect common wiring issues in standard and GFCI receptacles, with a convenient chart to identify conditions such as open ground and reverse polarity. This makes it one of the best clamp multimeters for electricians, ensuring they can troubleshoot effectively and efficiently. Some users experienced immediate issues with certain components like the non-contact voltage tester not functioning right out of the box. Reports of complete failure in the meter led to returns and dissatisfaction among professionals who rely on their tools for safety. Number 2. AstroAI Digital Clamp Meter. This is a clamp meter from AstroAI which comes equipped with advanced features like a sound and light alarm. This provides immediate feedback during testing, which makes it one of the best clamp multimeter options for those who need a reliable tool for everyday use. With a clamp 8-inch design, it provides ample jaw opening to handle thicker cables, and the clamp meter current feature allows for easy measurement without direct contact with live wires. This clamp meter electrical device is equipped with true RMS technology, which gives you accurate readings for AC/DC voltage and AC, making it suitable for troubleshooting both household and commercial electrical issues. One of its key features I noticed includes NCV detection for safe, non-contact voltage testing, which is crucial for detecting live wires. The meter needed to provide accurate readings for large appliances which it could not, hence leading to a lack of clarity and the need for return. Some users found consistent readings unreliable, especially when measuring current in more complex scenarios. Number 1. KAIWEETS Digital Clamp Meter. For those looking for a reliable and adaptable tool for electrical measurements, the KAIWEETS Digital Clamp Meter would make a good fit. This clamp meter offers true RMS functionality, which lets it accurately measure AC/DC, voltage, temperature, capacitance, frequency, resistance, continuity, and diodes. One thing about this meter which caught my attention is its D-shaped jaw design, which can open up to 1.1 inches and ensures a secure grip on various cables. This design is particularly beneficial for users who need a reliable clamp meter for HVAC or current measurements. The meter includes test LED storage, a backlit LCD screen, and a flashlight for easy reading in low-light conditions. Additionally, a low battery indicator ensures you're never caught off guard. At the end of the day, it's perfect for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals working on household solar systems, automotive repairs, and industrial electrical troubleshooting. Some users reported significant functionality issues, such as the inability to read AC properly, leading to frustration and potential project delays. Concerns about receiving a used product instead of a new one, including installed batteries and unsealed packaging, raised doubts about quality control.